If I could get you one new credit repair client every month for only $100 a month, would you take that offer? Don't even worry about giving me money right now, but how are you getting your clients? We're able to get our clients through YouTube and understanding that long form content and short form content is the best way to be able to charge a premium. It's how you establish a personal brand. It's how you build trust. You have 7, 8, 9-figure earners that understand the power of a personal brand. That's why you see them on YouTube with the long form content, the short form content. You see people like Gary Vee. You see people like Myron Golden. You see people like Tony Robbins. They all understand the power of a personal brand. And that's why you need to have a personal brand. I want to give you a gift to get started. And I'm going to even make it better. I want to give you 3 to get started. So number 1, you need leads, right? You can't have a business without marketing. You can't have a business without leads. So I want to give you my training on how to get your first or next client, so you don't ever have to worry about getting a new client. These marketing tactics I'm giving you have allowed my students to generate thousands upon thousands upon thousands of dollars in the credit repair industry because they're able to charge their worth. Before we get into your second blessing, I just want you to imagine with me. Imagine we have 2 people. We have person A, and person A is basically just begging somebody to remove something. But then we have person B. They're not begging. They're basically instructing, and it's backed by laws that Congress put out. And then on top of that too, person B is saying that they're willing to sue that person. Which person would you personally take more seriously? Common sense would be like, you're going to take person B seriously, right? And that's why consumer laws are so powerful, because we're marrying consumer laws with litigation. That's why for your second gift, I want to give you consumer law mastery. When I say consumer law mastery, I have over 4 hours of training of the FCRA, FDCPA that I want to give you, because I want to give you the laws that you need to be able to battle these people. I'm not going to lie, I have a lot of student results. I have a lot of student results. It's one thing for me to get my deletions, but when you take a look at my students, when you take a look at my Instagram at Mike O. Benjamin, you just scroll through the student wins, you see a lot of deletions. Gift number 3. Imagine with me one more time. Let's visualize together, right? Imagine you want to get whatever you want to get, like a big purchase. Is that a car? Is that a house? Whatever it is, just visualize in your head. We got person A. They have a good credit score, but they basically have a thin profile. Then we have person B. They have the same exact credit score, but they have a well built out, perfect credit profile in the eyes of the lender. Person A is going to get denied. Person B is going to get the approval. Same exact credit scores. This is why it's not only good to have personal credit, but it's good to understand how to build out a perfect credit profile that the banks love. That's why for gift number 3, I want to bless you with our CAT Credit Builder Guide. The CAT Credit Builder Guide is going to allow you to understand the right amount of accounts and specific accounts that you want to get that the banks will love you for. If you want all of these for free, here's my offer. I want you to join CAT Credit University. The point of CAT Credit University is to help you start or grow your credit repair business. On top of that too, is to help you be powerful to be able to remove any negative item from your credit report. You do trainings every month to help you get deletions, get new clients, and grow your business. Imagine you get on a call. Not only are you getting information on how to delete items, get new clients, but most importantly, you're being held accountable. Just imagine you hop on a call, you're getting that accountability. Imagine you get in an environment where other like-minded individuals are helping you get to the next level. CAT Credit University is designed to be a support system to help you get more clients and get more deletions. It's only $100 a month. And if we could help you just get one new client every month, would that be worth it? Click the button below to join CAT Credit University for only $100 a month to get access to over 4 hours of consumer law information, so I can teach you the specific laws you need to get those deletions, get access to the CAT Credit Builder Guide so you can build a perfect credit profile that the banks love, and get access to the marketing training so you can get your first or next client, so you can be getting consistent clients every single month. All of those are free when you try CAT Credit University today. And let's say you're sick of it, right? Let's say you don't like it. You're just like, okay, this is trash or whatever. After a month, I'll let you keep the free gifts that I gave you, but we can just send an email to us. You can cancel. Everything's all good. If you're sick and tired of getting the same results, you're sick and tired of, not getting new clients, you're sick and tired of getting denied from the banks because you don't know how to build a perfect credit profile, click below and join CAT Credit University for only $100 a month. What's going to happen is as soon as you enroll, you're going to be charged $100, and then the next month you're going to be charged $100 as well. If what you've been doing hasn't been working, maybe it's time to try something new. Join CAT Credit University below today.